Beaniverse International at Vancouver na puno ng mga tao. Eto nga ang natunghayan ng lahat sa Beaniverse Vancouver at the Center of Vancouver on August 9, 2024. Mga kaganapan sa labas ng venue, fans waiting patiently and ready na for the Beaniverse concert. A video from a fan inside the Center of Vancouver. Watch those empty chairs transform. When people sits on them with so much lively and excitement for the anticipated event. At ito naman ang view sa likod, punong-puno ng mga tao ang venue sa the Center of Vancouver. So happy that Beanie received nag-uumapaw na support kahit na pa international na. They deserve it for all their hard work and not giving up for their dreams. We know malayo pa ang kanilang mararating with the support of the fans. So proud that our kapwa Filipinos supporting Beanie. Naglaan ng panahon, time, and resources to make efforts in showing support to Beanie.